Hi, this is James from studentgrinds.ie. I just want to run through how we actually create a course. So the course I want to create today is from the template. It's actually from a Matt's template. It's a template that when you first sign up, you'll be giving. And the idea is that you can look through the template and get ideas on your course. But now we want to um, customize it for our own course. So this is like creating a course. So first of all, we need to identify what the course is. So on the right hand side, you usually find a course summary. So at this moment in time, we don't have one. So let's go ahead and create one. So we go to edit settings. So we hit this little settings icon, which is you're going to use quite a bit. And we go to edit settings. And then this is the settings for the course. So we have, excuse me, some pre-populated settings. So we're going to say something about the course. So this course runs through aspects of creating a course from the provided template. Okay, so we did a short description there. We can add to it, and we also like to put in a file, kind of an image that represents the course. So I think I have an image here. I'll just have it as dashboard, and I'll open that. And I'll upload this file. Now this is this dashboard. This summary. This when you see the course on your site, this is what you'll see as the icon for the course. So it may at this moment it may not be a kind of valid. You may want to change it to whatever suits. For if you're doing an English course, you'll have some sort of English icon, etc. Okay, thank you. So next thing we want to do is we'll have a quick, if you see on the right hand side, first of all, we can see what we've just edited. We can see a short description of the course on the right hand side. So that's great. So that worked. And in general, we have announcements forum. These, we have some stuff here. All this kind of section here, from student resources to teacher resources, it's all about kind of setting you up so that you can have a live class, so deliver a live lesson. But firstly, we want to put some content on for the students to use before the lesson so they can, at their own time, run through it. Now, as I said, the template course was maths, so statistics doesn't really mean much. So let's start changing this here section here, this lesson. Okay. And to do this, we need to enter editing mode. So to do this, we turn editing on from this top settings bar, like that. And the first thing you'll notice is lots of these edit icons and drop-down menus will appear. And if we go to statistics, we can see below that actually this is where we edit the course text and activities and resources. So let's start editing. So we'll start editing this section. So we can put in SE section 1, and we just done a dashboard video. So we're going to say something about the dashboard that you can look at. So let's go dashboard board intro. Okay, this is short so it appears. Turn that. Okay, so it says section 1 dashboard intro, and then we want to edit this section just one more time, and we want to just maybe say something. So we'll delete what we have here. We'll turn bullets off, and we'll say this short lesson will give you an overview of your dashboard settings. Okay, and we can save that. Now we can have a look at what that is. So we have section intro, and a short lesson. So now we have lots of other resources and activities here from the template. So we kind of want to delete all of those. So let's delete some of these. And I'll go through with you what exactly we're deleting. For example, this is a quiz or a chat we're deleting. So a chat would be if you clicked on this, you could send messages to anybody that's logged in into the class in real time. So it's quite useful. Here we're deleting the YouTube video. We're actually going to create a YouTube video for this lesson shortly. We have a quiz that we're deleting here and other activities. So we'll delete all these just to bring it back to the bare bones of a lesson, and then we'll build it back up again. Okay, so what we want to do now is I have a YouTube video that I want to show that shows an introduction to the dashboard. So we want to add an activity. An activity is something that, well, you can see on the left hand panel all the different activities. I spoke about chat previously. We have a forum that we can create. This is for posting questions and answers. A survey, a workshop. There's a quiz. What we're going to do is actually add a label. Now, inside this label, what we want to do is actually grab a YouTube video and put it in. Now, to share a YouTube video, we need to get the code from it. Now, this is typically a HTML code. Now, we can actually put HTML code into this box by down-clicking these advanced options and going to the very end, you'll see a HTML tag. So we're going to place HTML code into this little box. Now, where do we get the HTML code from? Pardon me. We actually get it from our YouTube video. So if I just cancel this out, this is the YouTube video I want to share. So I'll go hit share here. And if you look at a wee box that says embed, you get this sharing option. So it starts at 0. Make sure that show suggested videos is unclicked. Okay. And then we simply copy the code, and then we go back to our label and we paste this code in. And we can get out of this, and there we go. We have our video in the section. Now we just want to say maybe something about the video, so we can start just simply typing here. This video brings you through the dashboard settings. Okay, and we simply save and close. Okay, so we just scroll down and say there's the video. So let's see what the student would see from a student's point of view. And the way we do that is we simply turn off the editing. So we get rid of all the editing forms and see what the student will see. Well, there's our first lesson. It has dashboard intro, which is good. We click into it and we can see this nice video. We can actually play the video. Hi, this is James from Okay, so the video starts playing. It talks about the dashboard. We can stop that and we can go out of the dashboard and so this is our lesson. Now you see here we have a picture of a maths statistics picture. Now we want to be able to change that. So let's see if we can change that. So we turn editing back on again. And it's just, you have a little icon that says change image. And we'll choose a file. And we'll do recent files. I think we just grab this dashboard, okay? And select this file and we'll save changes. And there you have it. We've just had our first section Okay, and then we'll just turn off editing to see what it looks like. And there we have it. We have our first section, our first lesson. So what we'll do is we'll build up our course one bit by bit. On the next course, the next course will actually have the video of this here lesson. So we'll place this into this week 2. Thank you.